In this video, we'll go ahead and take a tour of our class in Canvas. So to access our course in Canvas, you first sign in to your YC portal, click on the Canvas button or click on the My Courses button and select our course. So our elementary statistics class, the home page, will have the dates of our course, my information, my office hours in person for the fall are Tuesday, Thursday afternoons from 12:30 to 2. Office hours via Zoom will be determined after the first week of the semester, after I contact all of my online students. So I'll give you information when that happens. I've got a link to the tutoring services at Yavapai College. There's a link to the tutors for all subject areas. Well, this one takes you to math, directly to math. So if you need a tutor, it will tell you on each of the tutors the courses, so you can get help, in addition to getting help from me. And then below, a description of each of the modules. And then if you click on the module, it'll take you directly there. All right, so that's just a quick introduction on the home page. I have announcements. So each week I'll send you an announcement. And then in the modules, I'd like to go over how the course is set up. So in the Getting Started module is where everything is that you'll need to be able to get situated. There's a Welcome and Getting Started Activities page, the course syllabus, a Confirm Your Attendance quiz due the second day of class or within 2 days of adding, how to enter MyLab and Mastering with your access code, and then a calendar of assignments. So in the Getting Started activities, the two things that are required within the first week is to read the syllabus and complete the syllabus quiz, and then also for participation to enter my math lab and complete the first homework assignment by Sunday. Below, there's an introduction video, this tour of Canvas, and a tour of my math lab to help you get it set up in my math lab. The next page contains our syllabus. There's a downloadable file. If you click on the arrow, it'll download a copy. Mine shows up in PDF. It might download to the tray and then click on it and it will open. But the information is also contained on this page. So that's where all of our rules and regs are for the course syllabus. All right, the next page after that, or the next activity, is the syllabus quiz. So it opens on August 12th, and you can keep attempting it until you get all the questions correct. So this just verifies that you've read the information about the course. Next item in the Getting Started is how to enter MyLab and Mastering. There's also a video specifically on how to get set up in MyLab and Mastering, so I'm not going to go over the information here. Then I've got a calendar posted that walks you through the activities and the assignments for every week. Okay, so if you want it all in one place, that's a file that you can download and print. So that's what's in the Getting Started module. I've got some resources for you, some extra as well. There's some hints and tips for success in technology tips, a link to StatCrunch tutorials, which is the statistics software that we're going to use that's included with your Pearson access, and then just a link to Adobe Acrobat if you don't have it already. But the tips for success in technology tips are some common issues that happen and how to study. StatCrunch tutorials take you to video tutorials, and there's a StatCrunch step-by-step for each section in the textbook. So if you just need a quick reference, they're there. And then the link to Adobe Acrobat. So what is in each content module? After you get started and know what your resources are, each module has the weeks. The first item in the module is the assignment calendar. So the assignment calendar lets you know what we'll be learning in this module, and it lets you know what the activities are. So for the first week, we've got some Getting Started activities, and then activities for week 1 are 2 homework assignments in my math lab, a discussion board, and then in week 2, a homework assignment, and then our first online test. Okay, So that's the first page in each module is your assignment calendar for just those weeks. Then the next page are notes and resources. So very important item. Notice that the notes are notes that I take from the textbook and make kind of screenshots of them so they're printable. So let me open one of those. Oh, that's a video. So let me open the notes. If you don't want it to open right here, which is really inconvenient, open this little download, click on the download arrow, and it will open it in a new page. So these go through the textbook. As you're reading, you can take notes, and then inside there are links to video solutions in Pearson of the examples. So the notes aren't just the paper copies, they also have videos embedded so that you can take a look at video solutions of the examples. And then if there are any additional resources, such as students asking questions about homework, assignments, etc., then those will be in the additional resources. So every chapter will have resources, links, notes, and some videos from the textbook or from other areas to help you learn the content. Then what's next in the module are the homework assignments. So homework number 1, sections 1.1 and 1.2. Homework number 2. These link to my math lab, so you've got to get set up in my math lab before you can access these. It's a third party, but they're all hooked into Canvas. Okay. Each module will have a discussion. So our first discussion, let's see, this opens August 12th. So let me get out of student view so I can show you what that discussion looks like. There it is. There will be a discussion for each module. This particular discussion has vocabulary. There are 10 vocabulary words, and your directions are to select one word from the list, provide the definition from the textbook and in your own words, and a real-world example in your initial post. And then after you post, make sure you read others before you post because you need a different word. Then reply to 2 other posts and add your real-life example of their terms. So that's the first discussion board. And notice in the modules, there's one discussion assignment per module. All right, then it'll be separated. Week 2, homework. There's a review for each test. This takes you to my math lab, and then a test in my math lab. So the items that we turn in through Do in Canvas are the discussion boards, but your homework and your tests will be done in my math lab. The next Canvas assignment, if you take a look at our modules here, I'll go through their module 1 is data collection, weeks 1 and 2. Then there's module 2, week 3 and 4, module 3. And then in the middle, we'll have a midterm exam. And your midterm exam will be part online, and then there will be a written assignment that you turn in through Canvas as well. All right, so as I get those loaded in there, they'll show up as the semester goes. So what will show up first is you're getting started, the resources, and the first module so that you can go ahead and get started and get used to the textbook, Pearson, get your codes and everything that you need to be ready. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please remember, contact me, ask questions as you get set up. Once you get through the rhythm of the first module, you'll see that they're all similarly set up. All right, I wish you a great semester, and I look forward to working with you.